Are you planning to start off your meditation journey? Are you looking forward for a good meditation app? Then this video is perfect for you because in this video I will be sharing with you my experience on using Headspace app. I have been using Headspace for more than 2 years, so I think I'll be the right person to tell you whether it works or it doesn't. During the course of 2 years, a lot of things has changed in Headspace and in my meditation experience. So I'll be sharing with you everything in this video, whether to use Headspace or not, whether is it worth it or not, whether to spend your money on the Headspace subscription or not. This video is not sponsored by Headspace by any means. This is my honest review on using Headspace for more than 2 years. Before starting off the Headspace, I was interested in meditation, but not so much. I used to struggle a lot meditating. While watching on YouTube, I came across an ad from Headspace. So I thought, let me try it out. Thinking of that, I took up the 1-year subscription of Headspace and started off. So the first course that I took in the Headspace app was the basics. I started off with the 3 minutes basic course. If you take any course in this app, it will give you the timestamps of how many days you have meditated and how many you have not. And this was really intriguing to do it daily on a constant basis. And like Snapchat, Headspace also has a streaks feature where it pushes you to do the meditation daily, to use the app daily and to do meditation more. So the daily streaks helped me to stick on with meditation and to stick on with the Headspace. At night, I used to use the sleep category on the Headspace, which was very helpful during the night. I used to suffer from insomnia. I used to suffer from sleepless nights. So when I felt that I couldn't sleep any longer, then I used to the Headspace app. On the sleep category, I used to listen to the wind down exercises and wind down stories. It is like a guided meditation to sleep. Along with that, I used to listen to the sleep music and also the soundscape, the natural ambience of rain, wind, forest, desert. And daily I used to listen to this and sleep at night. And trust me, it was the beautiful experiences that I got while listening to Headspace app and sleeping. I think most of you who are suffering from insomnia, I think they will benefit a lot from Headspace sleep section. Coming on to the videos of Headspace, Headspace has the beautiful, cute, little short videos which helps you the process of meditation and which helps you to understand what happens when you meditate and what happens to your mind and to your thoughts after meditating. This cute little animations helps us to understand very beautifully, and even small kids can understand through this Headspace animated, cute little short videos. Recent updated version of Headspace had made a huge difference on Headspace app. Starting initial days, it was simple, clean, short, sweet. But now it is beautiful, elegant, and the experience of using the updated app is really good. They have added more meditation exercises in this app. They are constantly updating their apps, but in the last update, they have really improved a ton compared to the initial days of Headspace. Coming on to the next one is the Move section. Move is a new section that allows you to start getting fitness exercises along with mindful exercises. There are 2-3 fitness courses that will take you on a fitness journey to keep your body fit along with mind. This new fitness section has made Headspace even much more useful and elegant and informative. Final thoughts about Headspace. This app is really cute, simple, sweet, small, educative, informative, and really attractive. And it will really take off your meditation journey if you haven't tried it even a single time. This app really gets you on a mode, really gets you on a track of your meditation journey. It makes you to do meditations consistently with a lot of push notifications and with a lot of beautiful, attractive presentation of the meditation. I think it's definitely good to try out this app. Was it helpful? Of course, definitely. It was really helpful because when you check out the meditations on YouTube and Google, those are not a system. This is a system-based app which keeps you track on your meditation journey and which lets you to explore yourself in meditation journey. Is it really worth the money? For this, my answer is yes and no, because YouTube and Google has a lot of content. YouTube has relaxed music, guided meditation, sleep sound, sleep music, and nature sound for relaxing. A lot of things in this app are already on YouTube, but the unique way, the system of Headspace made it much more simpler and elegant, which you can use it on a daily basis. On YouTube, whenever you feel like you'll do it, but because of the tutorials and the presentation Headspace has got us, it makes us to get into the meditation and to do it. So I highly recommend you to try out this app and to know much more about meditation and to start off your meditation journey. For those who are looking forward, who are attracted to the app and haven't really made a choice, I think you have a choice. Spending a lot of money on games and other apps, if you spend a couple of bucks to this, you will benefit a lot because you know how meditation can impact our life and how meditation is beneficial in our life. This is my honest experience on using Headspace for more than 2 years. So I think this video was helpful in making a decision. I hope you have learned something new out of this video, and I hope this video was helpful in making a decision to choose meditation and to choose Headspace. So that's it for this video. I will be seeing you in the next video. If you haven't listened to my podcast, then check out my podcast. You can go on to any podcasting services and listen to my podcast on Life with Self. And if you haven't checked out my course, Turn Your Boring Life into an Interesting Life. In a current scenario, I think this course will really help you out. It is available on Skillshare. So if you haven't checked out my course, then link will be in the description below. So check it out and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care. You are watching Life with Self and I'll see you in the next episode.